Hey divas, so in today's video I am here to share with you guys this unit that I am rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by CURLSQUEEN. So thank you so much for bringing this video to my fabulous divas. But without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay divas, so jumping right in, today we have this unit from CURLSQUEEN, and I have their 20-inch curly unit. So it does come with headbands, but today I'm going to be using my own, but those headbands are cute, so I definitely will be wearing them on another day. But anyways, it also comes with information in a pamphlet. Now here is the actual hair. It has a very, very beautiful curly texture. Like, oh my goodness, look at those curls. And it is 20 inches. So here's the cap construction. So it kind of looks like a half wig, but it's actually a Converti-Cap. It does come with 3 combs in the front as well as a comb in the back with a drawstring, because this can be worn as a ponytail or like a half wig or however you need to wear it. And as you guys can see, the tracks are on the front, so that's what separates it from a regular typical half wig as well as a headband wig. So this is the Converti wig, guys, and I did go ahead and stretch it because I know it's hard to tell that it's 20 inches because of the curl pattern, but once you stretch it, you guys will see that it does, you know, it is 20 inches. So anyways, I'm just applying water and brushing through the hair to see if I'll get any shedding or tangling. Since I am styling out the box, I did experience a little bit of shedding and tangling, which was to be expected because this is a curly texture. So now I'm just styling my hair up a little bit, and I use the Jam gel, and then now I'm just showing you guys different styles. With this unit, you definitely could do a lot more styles than I displayed in this video, but I just wanted to show you guys, you know, some of the styles I thought would be cute on me. But yeah, you guys know, of course, I'll finish out with my closing thoughts.
Open up, you OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open.
Okay divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this unit, I'm here to tell you guys how I feel about it. So let's just jump right in. Okay divas, so first of all, I really do like this cap. This is my first time trying an actual Converti wig. Okay, so when it's called a Converti wig, and this one is different for me because it has like the tracks across, so you have to make sure that you go ahead and cover that, and it doesn't come with like a headband. So this is my first time trying this kind of unit, and honestly I'm actually really here for it. Like, I think that this is really nice. So let's just jump right in. So first and foremost, let's just go ahead and talk about their packaging. Their packaging is really nice. I love this gold bag. I feel like gold just makes everything better, okay? Like, so I really do love the packaging. So the packaging is really nice, and everything came packaged up really nicely. I also really love the cap construction. The cap construction of this wig is very secure, which you would need it in order to wear the styles that you would want to. And the thing that I love about this is that it does allow you to wear multiple styles. So this unit is very versatile, and I just really like it. Like, I'm loving my little messy bun that I have going on, and I don't have to worry about the sides lifting up or anything because there is combs there, and I did go ahead and use them. Now typically I don't like the combs, but these are actually placed really nicely, so it does not give me like a headache, or it's not like too tight on the unit. So overall, I think that this is a really nice unit. Now as far as shedding and tangling, as you guys seen, I work with this wig straight out of the pack, and this unit does have shedding and tangling. I don't know if you guys seen when I was brushing it out after I just put water on it. It did have some tangling. However, I feel like it has shedding and tangling. I feel like with curly hair you should expect to get shedding and tangling, especially because this is a kinky curly type of texture. So that is to be expected. It was nothing to where I would be like, girl, no, don't buy this wig. Like, this wig is really, really nice, and I was really surprised on how it's styled just with water alone. The quality is very, very nice because I was testing it for that. So it was under testing and it didn't even know it, but I was testing it to see if I can just apply water without applying products and make the hair work, and you definitely could just go ahead and do that. I would definitely recommend like you conditioning or using some type of spray, but I was just testing the hair quality, and it does have a nice quality because I am able to wear the hair with just putting water on it. So overall, I really do like this unit. I feel like it is like very versatile. I feel like you would definitely be getting your money's worth with this unit because you can wear it in multiple styles, and it's also just very throw on and go-esque. So I'm always here for that, always here for the easy beginner slay. Okay, so it's definitely serving that now. I'm really, really in love with this bun that I got going on. So yeah, I'm all the way here for it. If you guys aren't interested in this unit, I definitely will have a link down in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulous girls did, then definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous girls and know what you guys are thinking, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.